Hello guys, welcome to TechTube. Today we are going to see how to operate your phone without using your hand. Yes, access your Android phone completely with your voice. Yes, before going to video, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. Now, coming to video. First of all, go to Play Store. Here, search voice access. Yes, voice access is tag. Click it and click install option. It was a Google product, no, so you can install easily. It is installing right now. Wait for a couple of seconds to install. After installing, click open and it asks turn on voice access. Select OK to go to voice accessibility settings, then enable your voice access. Okay, first go to accessibility menu, click it and enable this option. Some of the mobile it will be in disable. Click enable, then go to voice access, and here also you want to enable this access. Yes, click OK. Then will pop-up menu will appear like this. Permission required to function properly during calls. Voice access needed to the phone permission. Okay, give continue and allow voice access to make and manage your phone calls. Click allow and click next. Again, to use voice access hand free, you need to turn on OK Google detection for any screen. Open settings and say OK Google. Access with voice match. Enable it. As wait for a couple of seconds, it will come like I agree. Click it. As your assistant scan set, you are all set. Now come back and click next. To start, tap voice access button. Say tap next to go to next step of this tutorial. Then click next. These are the keywords for your tutorial. This is voice access tutorial. Say the number beside next to move to the next step in this tutorial. Okay, click it and scroll down. For scroll down, you want to say scroll down. Next, say the number next to the text below to select it. Say type running 5 minutes later and delete all text. To hide the keyboard, say go back. Say tap next or say the number beside next. As this is a key voice access tutorial. Okay, say what can I say to see help for the screen that you are. And these are the tutorial for voice access. Now let's lost you finish. Yes, the tutorial is finished right now. You can see the pop-up menu will appear in the right corner. Yes, I'm clicking. After clicking, you can see the numbers are there in your menu. Now let's check it out. Okay, 1. After saying this number, it will automatically going. I do not touch any hand. You can see 10, 5. Go back. Home. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. 11. Go back. Go back. 40. 40. 40. Scroll down. Scroll down. Home. Yes, you can see now while I'm clicking these application, it will do automatically with voice access control. Okay, you hope you enjoyed this video, guys. So thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned to TechTube. Thank you.